Alright guys, in this particular video, we're going to be looking at CPA marketing for beginners. Now, if this is your first time you are jumping into CPA marketing, this video is for you. You're going to go ahead and take your time to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you can be able to learn something from this video and you can be able to go ahead and start from the right path. Now, so many people are teaching different strategies on CPA marketing, but in this particular channel, I dedicate my time to go ahead and break down the simple step-by-step guide on how you can actually start your CPA marketing journey in the easiest way and begin to go ahead and get profit for yourself. So in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and break down step-by-step process on how to get started with CPA marketing. I'm going to be teaching you how to get free traffic. I'm going to be teaching you how to implement with this free traffic, and also I'm going to be explaining exactly how you can be able to select offers that will work for you and you'll be able to promote these offers and get immediate conversion for yourself. Alright guys, welcome to CashMintAI. In this particular channel, we are dedicated in making sure that you get all the value that you need without spending a dime and be able to get the best information that will help you to achieve greater results in just few minutes. So we don't want to be wasting much of your time. Now, CPA marketing. Let us go ahead and understand what CPA marketing is. CPA marketing is practically something that you can actually make money from it, but helping other companies in different countries. Now, for example, in CPA marketing, you need to help companies that are in need to solve their own problem. And when you help them to solve their own problem, then they are going to be paying you for your work. Now, what kind of work are they going to be paying you for? For example, they need people in a particular location, and you are able to get those people for them. They are going to pay you per each person that you bring for them. Say, for example, you bring 100 persons to them in that particular country that they actually need these people. Now, they are going to go ahead and pay you each person that you bring. And if, for example, they are paying you for each person 2 cents, now this means that 2 cents is going to times multiple to 100 persons that you bring to this particular company. That is how CPA marketing work. And the model that they are using to actually be able to help you earn this kind of money is called CPA offers. All right. Now, CPA offers is something that you need to generate a link. And when you generate this link, you are going to be promoting the link of each of these CPA offers to these 100 persons that you want to bring to this company. And these 100 persons that you are bringing to this company, they need them to take action to confirm that you are actually sending them to this company. So these 100 persons you have will need to click on the link, and when they click on the link, they submit information that is required. They call it survey. Now, once they submit this survey, they are going to go ahead and confirm this particular audience, and once the audience is confirmed, the money is going to now be paid to you. So this is how CPA offer works. Now, how do you go ahead and get CPA offer from any CPA network? We are not going to be explaining how to get CPA offer randomly in all the CPA network, but we're going to go ahead and take our time to explain how you can get CPA offer that you can promote in order for you to earn from it using CPAGrip. All right. So the first thing you need in CPAGrip is to make sure you have created your account. And if you have created your account on CPAGrip, then the first thing you need to do is to log in into your dashboard. When you log in into your dashboard, then you have to go ahead and get all these offers. There are several ways to actually get offer from CPAGrip. The first one is monetization tools. I'm going to be explaining more in-depth details what monetization tools is in CPAGrip platform. All right. Then I will also explain offer tools as well in CPA network. I will also go ahead and explain additional extra 2 options, which is the top performing offers and recently added offers in the CPAGrip. So let's begin with the first one. For the content monetization, this particular session, you need to be able to create valuable content or digital item that you are willing to give out for free. And when you are able to do that, it's a strategy to actually bring in these people from this country that you want to promote the link, and when they come through those links, you get paid for it. Then the second option is offer tools. Offer tools will give you privilege, okay, or a leverage to each offers in specific countries. So now you want to promote offer in Switzerland. Now you don't know how to get to that. So in offer tools, we'll be able to direct you. You'll be able to go ahead and select the country you want to go ahead and pick these offers. And when you pick Switzerland country as an option, then you also have categories on different type of offers that you want to go ahead and promote. One of them could probably email zip submit offer, or maybe credit card offer, or maybe application installations, okay, or maybe pin submit offers like phone number verification, because these are the only way they can actually verify the audience you are bringing to the platform in order for them to go ahead and pay you, because you are working for them. So they need a way to verify the audience you are bringing to the platform. All right. Now, that said, we are going to look at the top performing offers and recently added offers. How can these options benefit you as a CPA marketer? In the top performing offers section, this is where they have listed all the offers that are already converting for other CPA marketers that are also successful in the system. Now, this particular top performing offers, you can see different countries listed alongside with each of the offers, and each of these offers, they enter the percentage of how much these offers is converting for other CPA marketers. And this actually gives you the confidence and the courage that if these offers are converting for other CPA marketers, this means that it will also convert for me. So this is why I always prefer, in other of my channels, I also talk about these top performing offers, and this is where I pick these offers by myself in order for me to go ahead and promote them and use different tactics to also earn from those CPA offers. Okay, now that we have talked about how you get offers from specifically CPAGrip, let us narrow down to how you now begin to take actions. Where and how can you actually earn from this? Because this whole thing is totally confusing. So many people do not even understand what we are actually talking about when they listen to so many CPA marketing content creators or teachers. They are completely confused. How can I make money from this? The best option is free traffic method, and this is also considered as organic traffic. No matter what you think, no matter how you believe it, the best way to make money with all of these things we are talking about is basically organic traffic. You, as a marketer, you have to become a content creator at all costs. This is the only way you can become successful in CPA marketing. So how can you become a content creator? Now, AI tools is leveraging different business models, making difficult things to become easy, such that you can easily be able to promote these CPA offers using ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can be able to create all the information or the content that you need to actually create in order for you to promote these offers and make money for yourself. All right, so you need ChatGPT in order for you to go ahead and create content. Number one. Number two, you need a traffic source. You need traffic sources where you can actually promote and get this audience. It could be online, it could be offline. When we talk about traffic, we are not specifically talking about online. You can get traffic from churches, you can get traffic from different organizations, you can get traffic from schools, you can get traffic from different groups. Also, online, you can also get traffic in different pages and groups. All right. So if you go online, there are so many groups, so many platforms, so many social media channels that you can actually get traffic from. In this channel, I'm going to go ahead and break down everything, so you don't need to panic. All you need to do, if you have not subscribed, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so that you always get notified once a new video is published. I have set this channel up to make sure that I give you direct information that will help you to become successful online with CPA marketing. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like this video and share it with your friends on social media platform. Drop a question below this video. If you want me to make a video on a particular topic, go ahead and drop the topic below this video, and I'm going to go ahead and make a video for you on that topic. Of course, I will see you guys in my next video, guys. Peace out.